English Welsh future have. I will have equals.
Byddaf yn cael.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to time travel to tomorrow's Welsh? This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and cheeky practice ideas. Today your superpower is the future of have, quick patterns, playful drills, and a mini dialogue so you can say things like I will have.
Byddaf yn cael.
And it will have.
Bydd gan.
Without breaking a sweat. Your goal today. You'll nail the future forms of have for all persons, short, sweet, and totally doable. I will have.
Byddaf yn cael.
You, sing, will have.
Byddi di'n cael.
He will have. Base word.
Cael.
Full form.
Bydd e'n cael.
She will have.
Bydd hi'n cael.
It will have, possession.
Bydd gan.
E.g., the device.
Bydd gan.
Byddi battery gwell. We will have.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
You, plural, will have.
Bydd gennych chi.
They will have.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
Mini dialogue. Tickets tomorrow. Listen in and repeat. Your future self will thank you. A. Can you relax about the tickets now? B. Yep, I will have them tomorrow.
Byddaf yn cael.
Y tosanau y fori. A. And me? B. You will have enough time to pick them up.
Byddi di'n cael.
Digon o amser. A. What about Sam? B. He will have a chance later.
Bydd e'n cael.
Seifel ynesymlan. Base verb reminder.
Cael.
A. And Karis? B. She will have lunch with us first.
Bydd hi'n cael.
Sinio gida ni. A. Does the app help? B. Yes, it will have offline mode.
Bydd gan.
Year AP mod all lean. A. Team plan? B. We will have a quick meeting.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
Cyfarfod BYR. A. Folks at the back, good news, you will have extra seats.
Bydd gennych chi.
Sedo Ichwaingal. B. And the students? A. They will have the books by noon.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
Y Liefrau Urban Hanner DYDD. Lightning drills. Repeat after me, fast but friendly. Smile, you've got this. I will have a break tomorrow.
Byddaf yn cael.
Sebient y fori. You, sing, will have a reserved seat.
Byddi di'n cael.
Said wedi Chado. He will have more time.
Bydd e'n cael.
MWYO amser. Base.
Cael.
Closing parenthesis. She will have 2 tickets.
Bydd hi'n cael.
Do Dawson. It will have new features.
Bydd gan.
Y Fersen Newydd Nod Wedden. We will have a party.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
Party. You, plural, will have the results.
Bydd gennych chi.
Y Canlaniadau. They will have fresh bread.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
Farah F. Freeze. Culture tip. 2 ways to have. Tiny grammar gem incoming. Welsh often uses
Cael.
for events or experiences we will get, have a meeting.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
Gifarfod, and the gone, gen, pattern for possession, it will have a new design.
Bydd gan.
Y Sinirch D Diluniad Nuid, you plural will have time.
Bydd gennych chi.
Amser, they will have the keys.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
Year already. Funny future foreteller. A quick laugh locks in memory. Picture a fortune-telling toaster announcing tomorrow's breakfast schedule. I will have toast.
Byddaf yn cael.
Dust. You will have jam.
Byddi di'n cael.
Jam. It will have extra buttons.
Bydd gan.
Y to steer fotimau ichwain gall. The crowd cheers. Even he whispers base verb wisdom.
Cael.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. Your brain likes the echo. 1. Translate. We will have more time on Friday. Say.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
MWYO Amser DYDD Gwenner. 2. Fill the blank. She will have a picnic.
Bydd hi'n cael.
Bikenic. 3. Tech update. It will have offline mode.
Bydd gan.
Year AP mod all lean. 4. Group notice. You, plural, will have one chance.
Bydd gennych chi.
Uncypher. 5. Delivery ETA. They will have the packages at 8.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
Y Pesanau M8. 6. He will have time later, full form.
Bydd e'n cael.
Amser YNNESYMLAN. Base verb.
Cael.
Your speaking challenge. Ready for a 30-second burst? You've got this. Create a microplan for tomorrow using at least 4 forms. Example. In the morning, I will have coffee.
Byddaf yn cael.
Coffee. At noon, we will have a meeting.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
Cyfarfod. The app will have updates.
Bydd gan.
Year APDDI Wedariadau. You, plural, will have time for questions.
Bydd gennych chi.
Amser I Gwestinau. They will have the report.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
Year Adradiad. And if Sam finishes early, he will have a break.
Bydd e'n cael.
Sebient. Bonus shout to the base verb.
Cael.
Goodbye and keep going. Nice work, future you is impressed. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I will have.
Byddaf yn cael.
You, sing, will have.
Byddi di'n cael.
He, she will have.
Bydd e'n cael.
Slash.
Bydd hi'n cael.
Base.
Cael.
It will have.
Bydd gan.
We will have.
Byddwn ni'n cael.
You, plural, will have.
Bydd gennych chi.
And they will have.
Bydd ganddyn nhw.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and fresh practice ideas.